This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contractor discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning guys, December 19, 2019. Real cold this morning, probably 20 degrees out. I left the dog home. It's too cold, but I got a call for a guy who's got an oil burner. The thing won't fire. Says he's got power from the control down to the burner, but the protector relay's got power to it, but nothing's firing. Said it's not tripping. So maybe it's a bad control or a bad CAD cell, not letting it fire, or a motor, or he's got no power. I don't know. I'm going over there to see what's going on. He called me last night. Told him I'd go by there in the morning first thing, so we're on our way over there now.
Keep right on Acushnet Avenue.
We'll see, try to get you some shots when I get there. New customer. He said it's been a couple of years since he's had it serviced, so that probably means 4 or 5. Let's call him. B1.
I've got to admit, I've watched your videos.
You have?
Good idea.
B1, B2, I mean. So B1 and circulator is supposed to be the same. Let's see if we got power there. No power. So let's go B1 and the common. No power. Unless it's off on limit, which it's not. Unless the limit switch is, so it's a bad control. Because it's calling. So like you said, it's a bad control. We got no power going down there, and I should have that in the truck.
I've actually refixed that control once.
How'd you fix it?
That board has a issue where one of the
Well, I don't. If you want, I'll replace it, but I'm not fixing it.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's not the failure it had before.
48A, that's the one you want right there. That's the one I need. Alright, so I got the power off. Yeah,
We replaced it, and
things do let go, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just how it is.
and I've heard this is a pretty good one. There's been a few. I've had to replace the I don't know the names of everything, but the igniter coil, it's a transformer, whatever it is.
So, what are you, a handyman?
I'm an engineer. I like to fix stuff. You know.
Just make it's off.
Curious.
You can see it's off. Yeah. Curious George.
Yeah, it can get you in trouble, you know. But sometimes it's just a simple thing, you know.
Yeah, sometimes if it's simple, I mean, it's not a big
Yeah.
deal. Yeah.
I'm not going to tackle. I mean, this is safety.
Alright, so the
issue.
B1 is the one that's got the prong on it.
Like that, I got a Pomeranian.
C1,
He's not
C2.
gonna stop barking.
Say that again?
I got a Pomeranian. It's not going to stop long as you're in the house. He would bark until he dies.
Oh, is it, how much does it weigh? Is it lightweight?
12, I think.
Oh, is that what they weigh? Usually around 12 pounds.
He's sort of a mix. You know.
I got a little chihuahua. I got a little chihuahua.
Yeah, I must have had 7 at one time.
Chihuahuas?
Yeah, I had 7 of them at one time. They all got old. They all passed away.
Wow, 7.
Yeah, we took them in. Took 3 from an old lady that died. Beautiful little dogs from Appleheads. And a nice big head. Chihuahuas have like a big head.
Oh yeah.
Very gentle.
Yeah, I got a long hair chihuahua. You have a long hair one?
I had long hair ones. I had an Amber. Was the long hair. She was another old lady that died. And took her in. She had to take medication. She had some kind of a pregnancy she had to take.
Yeah, I got a deer head.
Yeah, they're small. They look like terriers.
Deer head chihuahua.
I like chihuahuas, you know. I've had schnauzers too, which aren't, they're probably twice as big. Matter of fact, we had that one schnauzer when we had 2.
These things are easy to go in, but they're a bitch to get out. What you don't like?
And they all get along. That's the good thing about chows. You know, cheese. They all sort of get along.
Chihuahuas?
Yeah. You can have 7 of them. They all get along.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I'll stick with one.
Well, we eventually found homes for them. In the morning, we had.
Man, it's flipping freezing out there this morning, huh? Wow.
Yeah.
Lady called me on the phone. She's got a oil-fired water heater. Hasn't ran in 19 years. Can I fix it? She's got it disconnected for 19 years in the cellar. She wants to know if I can go by and hook it up, give her an estimate, and fix it. It's like, yeah, all right, lady.
Been running gas all these years?
Well, it's oil-fired. Thing's probably disconnected because it was leaking.
Oh.
Now she wants me to go hook it up and see if I can get it working for her. But give her an estimate on it. It's like, yeah, right, lady. Right down. She needs an estimate because she's taking a loan out and she don't know if she can afford it. And you can't make this shit up. Man, it's cold out today. Holy shit.
Why did they put the other one upside down?
Oh. Might have. It's just the cover, right?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, dog ain't gonna stop, is it? No.
That's the thing with Poms.
That's how they are?
Yeah, they just, if you take them in the car, he just barks the whole way to the vet. Can't stop him.
Must be a female.
No, it's a male. He was in a shelter in Connecticut. They were going to kill him.
Oh, so it's a rescue dog.
Yeah, all of the pets we've gotten, maybe back years ago, we did buy a few AK seasons. They're not any better. I sort of like mutts.
Let's see, no, I had them. These two. Yeah, rescue dogs are good. There's nothing wrong with rescue dogs. I mean, I had a couple. My last one was a puppy that I got, so. Yeah, my last one's this is the first Chihuahua I ever had.
You like them?
Yeah, I love her to death. I mean,
They're very smart dog.
follow me everywhere.
Yeah.
If I'm on a computer, she's over there on the desk with me. I got a little bed on the computer for her. View the desk. I mean, yeah, very.
Well, I watch everything you do.
Oh, you do?
No, they do. They love it. They're always watching. They always find a spot in the house to watch it.
How come you didn't get another Chihuahua?
Well, what happened was we had they all died.
C1,
My
C2.
wife didn't want to have another for a while.
They all died?
They got old and died. You know, we had them for like 10, 12 years. They just got old and passed away. And so we waited a while. My wife
C1,
wanted to get another.
C2.
She was told that this dog was a tricolor Chihuahua.
Tricolor.
Yeah, black, white, and brown.
Oh, them are beautiful, yeah.
And so we went I didn't go down. My son drove her down to Connecticut to get the dog. And they got there and they said, "This is not a Chihuahua. This is a Pomeranian."
Oh, so it wasn't even.
My wife couldn't let her just take him and kill him. So
Oh, okay.
we never thought of it, and then I don't think we'd ever get another one. You can't tell them to shut up. Forget it. If you tell them to shut up, they bark even louder.
Really?
Oh yeah. But as far as guard dog, nobody's getting near this house. That dog barks at a car across the street.
Alright, so we got the B1, which is that. So the C circuit's all connected underneath, so you don't need the B2 because it's connected here on the common. Alright?
Yeah, this is a pretty simple one. It's just a, low, and it doesn't have any high-low or...
Well, it's got a high,
Yeah.
but it's got no low.
Yeah.
Because you don't need the low because you got no tankless.
Well,
this is what they call, let me talk. This is what they call a cold start. Okay?
Yep.
It doesn't have a low limit. The only time you need a low limit is if you have a tankless or you're using it for domestic. Then you need the low.
Yeah.
Because if it's, say it's calling for hot water and you want it, you don't want the burner to get too cold because then it won't have enough to heat the hot water up. So that's what the low limit's for. Alright, so C1, C2. Yeah, I've never seen a small Bridgeport like that. That's a real nice one.
Yeah,
I guess they're available if you wanted to buy
yeah,
one,
you
right?
can look them up. They're clausing. Atlas clausing.
Oh, I have to write that down before I go.
Yeah, you
I'd
can
like
take
to
a
get
picture of
one
it.
for my garage, you know?
You can pick them up if you go to a place like Pawtucket. In Pawtucket, there's a guy that sells all used machine tools in Pawtucket.
He'd be the guy to get it from.
Yeah, that's where I bought mine. And I bought it probably 20 years ago.
Do you ever use this shit out down here? Probably not, huh?
Oh no. I started my own company 10 years ago when I left my job. My company closed. And I took that machine and I made an injection mold on it for molding plastic felt. So I machined hardened steel 420 stainless on that, drilled all the hundreds of holes in it, milled it, cut it.
Yeah, what a beautiful
Reed it.
little machine.
Very accurate too.
Really?
Yeah, no dial, but when they made those acme threads back then, they were dead on.
So it's not a Bridgeport then?
No. Bridgeports are, you won't get one that small.
No.
And they're not two-part like that. You can take that apart, take the whole top with the motor off, and then the stem comes off the base.
So you
carry
bought
it.
that off some guy in Rhode Island?
Yeah, we put it in the car and came here and brought it in the basement.
No shit.
Same thing with the Atlas, the 12-inch lathe.
So it's an Atlas, it's not a Bridgeport.
No,
Yeah.
these are all Atlas clausing, the lathe, the milling machine. The sheet metal parts are all D'Arco. Brake and the shear.
Thing is really tight in there. That's the only thing about this control is it's hard to...
Get those,
Yeah, they don't give you a lot of room, you know?
need some different pliers. I got all kinds of tools. Need those.
I'll take that Bridgeport, throw that in my truck.
Bridgeports, if you want to get a good machine and you got the space, you definitely want to go. Doesn't matter how old they are. They use
A lot of them are three-phase though, right?
you can get an inverter, but yeah, they're usually 220 3-phase. You can run them with an inverter. Just convert it to.
The Bridgeport's the best, then, in other words.
Well, the reason Bridgeport and Newport are great is that they're ball lead screws. The screw that runs the table is has like balls on it, so it's like a ball bearing rather than metal on metal like a bushing. So they don't lose any accuracy.
Okay.
Sharp make an English company can buy also. Sharp makes a really good machine.
Let's see what we got the high limit set at. Alright, put the high limit right where we need it. Let's see where the other one was hooked up. We'll see what happens. That's a good sound right there, huh?
Yeah,
Oh, it's got a delayed oil valve. How cold is it in the house? We got draft over the fire so we're not choked. You should have the nozzle changed every year. And I can't touch that tank because it's so old.
Yeah, I think the next time we have.
What the problem is, when you go to, if this thing ever blows, they're gonna go after the last guy that was here.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So my insurance company just told me that they had an oil tank that blew, and they went after the last guy that was there. Need a new oil tank. If it's bad, yeah, it's just old tank. You know, because what happens is they'll blow when they go to fill it.
Yeah.
And then they'll try to come after me. If I don't let you know that it's gonna be, obviously, the thing's probably 1910 or something, right?
No, the house was brought here in 38.
Alright, so replace main operating control. You don't want me to change the nozzle. Can't touch the tank because it's so old. But at least your oil line's protected. That part's...
Well, they had to tear off.
That's part's been done.
You can't use the oil copper.
No, you can't anymore.
No, he dug it all out, re-cemented it, and that's got the key with it.
Alright, so you should be good. You're good to go. Get your slip and it's running. Take a little bit, but it's starting to warm up, so.
That's hot.
Oh, what do you got? A stove on?
I had the stove on. I was heating these plates to keep it warm when I was down here.
Oh, okay. I was wondering why I touched that sucker's hot.
It'll stay hot for hours. But it won't catch a fire.
No.
They'll never melt here.
It's funny. Alright, that's it. Nice, so it's an Atlas closing. So the only reason you got this because it's low enough. Bridgeport would be too high, right?
Yeah, you couldn't get it in here. You'd be having to sit down if you took off your base.
Yeah, that's why it's good for a basement.
Yeah, perfect what they call hobby.
This is nice too, huh? Yeah. Beautiful. I mean, you wouldn't have any trouble selling this shit. I mean, beautiful.
I didn't have a table. I made the table. It's a Craftsman tool bench.
Oh yeah.
Put it on that.
It's all lead. That's for the
I got
tub.
lead pipe coming into the house from the street.
Yeah, the water pipe, but that you don't see many drains like that lead. I mean,
no.
Son of a gun.